Welcome! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Pleasant Hills Subdivision, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan to show you this unit. So, nandito lang tayo sa loob ngayon kasi medyo mahulan. Pero tuloy pa rin ang video natin. And to address some questions sa previous video natin about properties in Quezon City, don't worry, part 1 pa lang yan ng long list of both RFO and pre-selling units sa Quezon City. And I decided to show you this one first kasi itong unit na to ay nag-iisa lang. And if you're interested, stick till the end of this video for a very special thing about this unit. So without further ado, let's check it out. So welcome, nandito tayo sa garage sa ating first level. So pumasok lang kami kasi medyo maambon ngayon. Pero tuloy pa rin ang video natin. So ito, meron tayong 2-car garage. And as you can see, ito ay mga non-slip tiles na. So very safe to sa mga bata and sa elderly natin kung sakali. Ngayon, meron tayo ditong 2-way na gate. So meron tayong pang tao and meron tayong for kotse. So ito ay folding gate, so very accessible na rin, no? So dito meron tayong sockets. So kung halimbawa may ginagawa kayo, pwede na yan, pwede nyo nang gawin dito yan. Hindi na nila kailangan umakyat sa taas, etc. Or extensions. So meron din tayo dong water line. So kung magbubukas kayo ng tubig, hindi na kayo lalabas. And meron tayong bedroom dito sa baba. So dito sa first level ng ating bahay, meron tayong 3 rooms, which we will find our first bedroom. Pero bago tayo pumunta doon, dito muna tayo. So dito meron tayong storage area. So meron kasi ditong breaker, which is yung magpa-power sa buong bahay natin. And meron tayong storage cabinet. So kung halimbawa meron kayong tools, extra gamit, or yung mga panglinis natin ng bahay, pwede natin dito i-store. Next is yung ating first toilet and bathroom. And yes, complete fixtures na rin to and naka-tiles na. So yan, as you can see, hindi siya very cramped, maluwag pa rin. And next is yung itong bedroom. So dito kasi, this is modeled as a living area. Pero kung halimbawa meron kayong elderly na hindi na kayang umakyat sa taas, ganyan, pwede nito i-convert into a bedroom. Kasi meron ng sariling toilet and bath. And depende sa pangangailangan ninyo, pwede din to maging office since accessible siya dito sa ating garage. So now that we're done sa first level ng ating bahay, this stairs leads us to our main living area, kitchen area, service area, and yung mga bedrooms natin sa taas. So this one, another good thing dito is it is made of non-slip tiles na rin. So meron kayong grooves dito para kumapit yung tsinelas natin and sapatos. Kasi as you can see, medyo exposed to sa labas. Meron siyang roof pero meron pa ring open area, which makes it very open air, yung makakapasok pa rin yung mga hangin. So with that, let's check upstairs. So, welcome dito sa second level ng ating bahay, which is the main living area, kitchen and service area. And dito pa lang sasalubungin na tayo netong wooden door na very sturdy and actually malaki, no? So very sturdy yan and double lock na rin for your safety. So tara, pasok tayo. So dito sa ating main living area, sige, napakalawak and perfect for family bondings. So included na rin yung cove lighting natin. As you can see, ang warm ng feeling. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, no? Ang warm ng feeling, lalo na kapag ka nighttime. So kung daytime naman, meron tayo neto, itong mga malalaking sliding doors, which leads us to our balcony. So dito sa balcony, meron ka na ring chairs and tables for your morning coffee. So ngayon tapos na tayo sa labas, balik tayo sa loob. And before we go to the kitchen, meron tayo neto. So under the stairs, very pinag-isipan yung design, hindi nasayang yung space. So meron tayong cabinets dito. Yan. And after that, dito na tayo sa kitchen. So itong dining area natin, actually kasya pa dito yung 4 to 6 seater na kitchen table. Pero for now, ito muna yung nilagay. Actually, ang ganda rin lalo na may mirror dito. So, very aesthetic tingnan, and look at that watch. So, dito din naman yung ceiling natin, meron ding decoration. So, makikita ninyo may mga ilaw pa rin doon sa ilalim. Pero different dito sa kabila, which makes it more, pagdating mo dito, parang nasa ibang lugar ka. And, pagdating dito sa ating main kitchen, as you can see, napakaganda. L-shape na to, with tiles, napakaganda ng kulay, nagko-contrast siya sa white. So, hindi ka mababangga kasi kung lahat to white, di ba, parang mawawala ka asan yung edge. Parang gano'n. So, with this color, nag-iba na yung feeling, di ba? More, magkaroon siya ng more depth. So, dito meron na rin tayong cabinets, which is included na rin sa turnover. Very nice, di ba? And, dito naman yung ating second toilet and bath, which is much bigger dun sa baba. As you can see, yan. Complete finished na yan and included na lahat yan. So, after that, dito naman tayo sa ating service area. So, meron pa tayong malawak na service area dito. Pwedeng gawing dirty kitchen, or kung gusto mo dito gawin yung laundry mo, pwede din naman. And, dito ang laki pa ng space. Pwedeng washing machine, your fridge, everything you want. May drainage tayo dyan para hindi bumabaray or magstay yung water dito. So, back here, dito naman yung ating stairs. So, paikot lang yung design na itong bahay na to. After that, dito na tayo. So, now that we're done sa second level ng ating bahay, dito naman tayo sa third level, which leads us to our 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath pa. But before we go upstairs, I want you to appreciate din the design. Kasi, as you can see, yung stairs natin papuntang bedroom ay nandito sa loob ng bahay. So, imagine kung nandun siya sa labas, connected dun sa labas, anyone can go up to your room. So, with this, more secured ka and more connected. Paglabas mo, andito ka agad sa living area. So, other than that, we used wood again for the stairs. So, napakaganda ng palette, white, brown, and then dark brown. So, very calming. Ang ganda ng vibes dito sa bahay na to. So, with that, check natin sa taas. So, welcome dito sa third level ng ating bahay. As you can see, ang daming pinto. But before we check into those bedrooms, dito muna tayo sa ating third toilet and bath. So, as you can see, another fully finished na toilet and bath. Complete fixtures na rin yan. And look at this giant mirror. So, dito naman tayo sa ating first bedroom sa third level. And check natin. Wow, as you can see, napakalawak na itong bedroom na to. And meron pa rin tayo yung cove lighting na yan. Meron na rin tayo ditong ready abang for your aircon, window type aircon, and may socket na rin for that aircon na rin. And meron na tayong cabinet dito na ready. So, dito naman tayo sa second bedroom sa third level. So, this is converted as a bedroom pa rin with office space dito sa ilalim. So, as you can see, meron tayong chairs, tables. Pwede to for your boys. Actually, after matulog, no, gaming session sa ilalim or homework. And with that, meron tayong malaking sliding windows. So, kahit when you're doing all of that, hindi masakit sa mata kasi meron kang natural sunlight. And as you can see, consistent yung ating cove lighting dito sa taas sa lahat ng bedroom natin. And meron din tayong abang for your aircon. Actually, may window pa tayo dito na malaki. So, we're done with the 2 bedrooms. Dito naman tayo sa ating master's bedroom, which is the most beautiful room dito, syempre, of course. Master's bedroom yan. So, as you can see, napakalawak na itong master's bedroom natin. Napapaligiran tayo ng windows, and meron tayo ditong malaking sliding windows with an unobstructed view ng labas. So napakalawak dito sa labas. Kitang-kita natin yung Hotel Savano. Napakaganda niyan kapag kagabi. So consistent din tayo sa ating cove lighting sa taas. Another windows for natural sunlight. Pero hindi dyan natatapos. Kasi sa master's bedroom meron tayong closet. So included na yan upon turnover. So parang naging na siya, walk-in closet. And of course, since master's bedroom to, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath. Yeah, complete fixtures and complete finish na rin. Included na rin yan. So kung nagustuhan ninyo yan, yung interior design, yung pagkaka-place ng mga gamit, well, good thing about this property is included na lahat ng furnitures upon turnover. So this is a fully furnished house and lot. So kung yun ang hanap niyo, this is the one for you. So that's it for this house tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Medyo mahaba lang pero I want to show you all the details of this house. And if you enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're interested to book a site viewing, you can comment down below or message me sa aking Facebook page, Agent Kenneth, link in the description. And that's it. See you on the next house tour. Bye!